Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G32 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then scroll in order to find sound and vibration. Here we have to scroll down to find this kind of ringtone section, because here we can change the ringtone for calls, and it is divided between two different SIM cards, which is quite a cool option. So let me show you how to do it using the first SIM card, and as you can see, after tapping on it, we will have this pop-out window with the default ringtones which are pre-installed on the device. They are right here. We've got at the top the option none, which simply means that after picking it, your device will not use any kind of ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Or you can add the ringtone, which simply means that you can enter your internal storage. So if you will have any kind of files downloaded, of course, if they will be compatible, you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back to those options and let me pick something from the pre-installed ones. If you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to check it. Let me volume it down a little bit. It's up to you which one you like the most. Let's pretend I want this natural to be set. So let's make sure that it is marked and simply tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.